Do you know your Megan baby? But do you got Megan knees? Poop shit.
In the lobby, show me something, keep it soft and tell nobody in your city, smoke exotics. Spin it slow.
Guess who's back? Back again. Yunnierose back. What? Tell a friend. Hit subscribe, hit subscribe, hit subscribe, hit subscribe. Hey, Rosettes, I'm Yunnierose and welcome biggity back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, we are doing a chill get ready with me. I'm going to show you how I actually washed my hair, so you will see my fro, but I'm going to show you how I got this hair, this like soft, really soft glam makeup. And I'm going to review some of the pieces from the Skims Cozy collection. So if you want to know how I got this look, honey, then keep on watching. Hey y'all. Okay, let me do a little, I need to do a thing for my little thumbnail. I'm gonna have to do it in the bathroom. But hey y'all, morning, it's Sunday. Y'all will actually be seeing this video the same day that I'm filming it. Hold on, because I feel like this like hella zoomed in. Baby, give me 50. But yeah, I just took out my braids. As you can see by the title, we're basically just doing like a chill, literally a chill get ready with me. It's not gonna be like I'm sitting down doing my makeup. Like it's gonna be chill in all aspects. Chill with the editing, chill with the outfits, chill with the makeup, chill with the hair. Like a complete chill, just relax, get ready with me. Like this is something that I pretty much do on my Sundays, chill. But me and Travis decided that we're gonna take my Instagram pictures every Sunday. So I will be doing a little bit more makeup than I would normally do on like a chill day, or like because I really just want to show you like my like everyday like my 10 to 15, my 10-minute beat pretty much. But I'm gonna be doing a little bit more makeup since I'm taking pictures today. But I wanted to go over, I wanted to show y'all in this vlog, or this like get ready with me, my Skims Cozy collection. So here's one of them. Cute, honey. I love this color. It's so freaking, I'm about to get in the shower, but I love this color. It's like a pretty sage. I will be taking a picture in this when I get to my sage series on Instagram. Period, pool. Comment down below what y'all do on Sundays, because now my Sundays are for taking Instagram pictures, relaxing, going over content. Sundays are my work days. Like I take off Friday and Saturday, so Sundays is like, Sunday is like a Monday to me. So comment down below what y'all like to do on Sundays, okay? Is y'all at brunch? Did y'all go eat? Let me know. Let's talk, because you know Sundays can be a little boring. So let's talk, honey. But no, I got this Skims in like an extra large, or a large extra large, is like both of them. But since I'm losing weight, honey, and dropping do you know your Megan baby? But do you got Megan knees? Poop shit. Hold on. Wait. I'm like, wait for the pussy. Let's get in within that. Pow, pow, pow. Beat on the bed. I fuck him up in the head. My knees cannot. They cannot. But no, I should have got a fucking medium in this. Because since I'm losing weight, it's like, I don't like how like baggy it is. Especially with the pants. Like I don't know, the shorts, I should got something, whatever. But I'm gonna show y'all like what else I got. I won't be taking, you know what, I'm gonna be taking a picture in that. But I also got this like nude color. Oh, so cute. So I got this like stone color, but instead of shorts with this one I got pants. So cute. So I'm gonna show y'all this when I get out the shower. And I got 2 robes. So I got the robe in that nude color and I got the robe in white. Y'all, this it's so soft, like so soft, it don't make no damn sense. I got the robe in a large, extra large too, but I wish I would have got this stuff in a medium, to be honest. I need to start like sizing down with stuff. But I don't know, like I feel like the collection is worth the money because it's so fucking soft. Like it's really soft. I don't know, it's really cold. The only con I have about this cozy collection is that like when you first get it, you need to wash it immediately and then wear it, because it has these like little like fuzzy, it's so weird because it doesn't feel like or look, that's so weird, my camera just shut off. She said but it doesn't feel like it doesn't look or feel like a fabric that'll like have like little fuzzies, but it does. Like, okay, y'all see that? Can y'all see? But like it's like these little I mean, I guess if I'm pulling it, but that's kind of what I mean, like it's like a little fuzzy, but once you wash it, it doesn't do that anymore. So I would say if you get it, wash it. But it's so nice. But I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair. We're just gonna be doing like a slick back, middle part, low bun. I kind of want to do like a high ponytail. I kind of may, y'all know, like I do that high ponytail with the like curly bangs and the curly bun. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I feel like it'll go really cute. That hairstyle will go really cute with this outfit, and I feel like it'll go cute with the other 2 outfits I have to take. So yes, let's hop our stank ass in the shower, honey. Don't want to be smelly. Feet on the bed, put them up in the head. Okay. Hey y'all, so I just got out the shower, my robe, washed my hair. I'm about to do this quick little like hairstyle, but I will leave the video right here because I already did like a full in-depth tutorial. So I'm kind of just gonna like kind of speed this part through, and if you want a more detailed tutorial, then click right there. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this hair together. Hey child, beautiful. All right, I wanted to tell y'all what's going on. So all I have to do is put like a few, probably like 3 flexi rods on this part, and then I'm gonna go do my makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna do me makeup, and then we'll be done.
Ryan Little. Yoga. Ryan Little. Yoga.
Alrighty y'all, so here's the finished makeup look, finished hair, nice and cozy, honey, cute, hunty. So here's the, let me show y'all, hold on. Here is the set that I was talking about. It's so cute. I gotta figure out how I want to pose. I'm probably gonna drop it over the shoulder. Suck it in, go there, you know. Let me show y'all the, hold on. Let me show y'all the robe. The robe is like, these robes are really nice. And I really like the color on this one. The only thing I just realized is that the robe, excuse the stuff on the floor in the back, I gotta put clothes up, but the robe is like a slight color off. I don't know if y'all can tell in the video, probably not. It looks like it matched perfectly, but it's like this robe is like a tad bit more like taupey, and this set is more like of a stone color, but it's actually really cute. I can't wait to take a picture in it. So yeah, look, I hope y'all enjoyed this little like random ass get ready with me. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and actually go over to Instagram, like this picture of me in this outfit. Let me know you came from my YouTube channel, and comment, let's comment some roses in the comment section to let me know you came from this video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. It's gonna be lit, okay? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.